Hi guys, welcome to this lesson. In this video we'll solve this problem using elimination method. So to solve systems of equation using elimination method, we need to make sure that any of the variables are equal in magnitude. Then we add or subtract. That's step 2, add or subtract. Step 1, make sure any of the variables are the same in size. Then the next thing is to add or subtract, meaning let's look at x variable here. This is 2x, this is x. They have different coefficients, so they are not equal in size. Then look at this one. We'll have y and y, both of them have coefficient of 1, so y and y are the same in magnitude or size. So the next step is to eliminate y. Now this is plus and this is negative, so we add. So when we add, it enables us to eliminate y. So 2x plus x is 3x, plus y plus negative y is 0. That is plus y plus negative y, same thing as y minus y is 0. So we don't need to quote it here. And this is 10 minus 4 is 10 plus 4 is 14. Then x is equal to 14 over 3. Okay, now we use any of the equations to do that. Let's say this is equation 1 and this one equation 2. So we use the easier part. This is x minus y is equal to 4. Then we plug in x here, so it becomes 14 over 3 minus y is equal to 4. Then 14 over 3 minus 4 is equal to y. Common denominator here is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 14. 14 minus, this is also 1 here, 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 4. 12 is equals to y. So 14 minus 12, 2 over 3 is equal to y. So x is equals to 14 over 3 and y is equals to 2 over 3. Okay, now let's look at a second situation where we have plus plus. That is to say, let's say this is plus plus here. What do you think we should do? Since this is plus plus, to eliminate y, we'll carry out minus. That's the only way to do that. So here becomes minus. So 2x minus x is x. Y minus y is 0. Then 10 minus 4 is 6. Then we plug in x into this equation to get y. Alright, so that will be it for this question. Then the next one will have this x over 2 minus y over 5 is this. Let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Okay, now to do this question, we need to clear the fractions. So we can say x over 2 minus y over 5 is equal to 1. So the common denominator here is 10. So we use this 10 to multiply this, and this. So we have x over 2 multiplied by 10 minus y over 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to 1 times 10. Okay, so now this becomes 2 here, it's 5 here, 1, 5 here, 2, it is 10. So 5 times x is 5x minus 2 times y, 2y is equal to 1 times 10 is 10. Okay, so this remains our equation 1, right? Okay, let me clean up this one here so that it doesn't confuse us. Yeah, then the other one is y minus x over 3 is equal to 8. Okay, y minus x over 3 is equal to 8. So the common denominator here is 3. Okay, I use 3 to multiply all the terms. So we'll have 3 times y is 3y minus x over 3 times 3. 3 we cancel 3. That is x over 3 times 3. 3 we cancel 3. So we'll have a negative x is equal to then 8 times 3 is 24. So we'll write this as negative x plus 3y is equal to 24, and this becomes equation 2. Okay, let's bring these equations together. Let's bring them together. We'll have 5x minus 2y is equal to 10, equation 1. Then negative x plus 3y is equal to 24, equation 2. Yeah, so we have negative, positive, and we have negative x here. Now, before we apply the elimination method, we need to make x variables the same, or we do that to the y variables. Okay, so okay, this time around let's start with the x variables. So the coefficient of x in the equation 2 is 1. We use 1 to multiply this. Then the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 5. Use this to multiply this. Okay, so we are multiplying equation 1 by 1. It remains the same. So we have 5x minus 2y is equal to 10. So 5 times 1 is negative 5x. 5 times 3 is plus 15y is equal to, then 24 times 5 is 120. Okay, so we can now add these two equations. This is negative, positive, so we'll add. Okay, because when we add this x, we cancel out. So 5x plus negative 5x is 5x minus 5x, which is 0. Okay, so negative 2y plus 15y is 13y, right? So 10 plus 120 is 130. Therefore, y is equal to 130 over 13, and this will give us 10. Okay, so to solve for x, we can plug in 10 into this equation here, equation 2, to solve for the value of x. So we have negative x plus 3y is equal to 24, right? So plug in y here to find the value of x. Therefore, negative x plus 10 here, 3 multiplied by 10 is equal to 24. Then negative x plus 30 is equal to 24. So take negative x to this side, it becomes positive, so that 30 minus 24 is equal to x. So 6 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 10. Right. Okay, thank you for watching this video to this moment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.